Welcome back to Tech Logics. In this part of our Prama camera setup series, we'll guide you through downloading and installing the necessary web plugins for your Prama cameras or NVRs. This ensures smooth live feeds and access to advanced features via your web browser. Let's get started. Why is the plugin important? When you want to configure your camera through the browser, such as adjusting video settings, network configurations, or performing a firmware update, the web plugin must be installed. It provides the necessary access and functionality to work seamlessly with your Prama CCTV system. To begin, first, navigate to Prama's official website or the device's web interface after logging in with your admin credentials. Look for a section labeled Downloads or Support. If you're unable to find the necessary files on the Prama website, please use the link provided in this video description. Note, the download link may provide the plugin in a zip file format. You will need to extract the zip file to access the setup file and start installing the plugin. When installing the plugin, make sure to close your web browser first. Then, locate the downloaded file in your Downloads folder. You'll likely see an installer file ending with .exe. Right-click on the installer file and select Run as Administrator to open it. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. You may be prompted to enter your system password for permission. If you encounter a security warning from your operating system, don't worry. Simply click More Info and choose Run Anyway to proceed with the installation. Once the installation is complete, open your web browser, either Chrome or Edge. This step ensures the plugin integrates properly for seamless streaming. Next, go back to your camera's web interface by entering its IP address in the browser. Log in with your credentials, and you're ready to configure your camera. If you see a security warning pop up, don't panic. Click Advanced, then select Proceed to the IP address. This is common with some cameras on local networks, and you're safe to continue. Once the login page loads, use admin as the username and enter the password you created earlier during activation. Hit Login, and you're in. Now, you can tweak settings, view live feeds, or manage your Prama camera like a pro. Note, in this demonstration video, the plugin is working correctly. However, when the live view window is smaller, the video may not display properly. When you maximize the window, the live feed appears on the screen. This is related to the laptop's screen resolution. On a regular desktop or a properly configured laptop, the live view will display correctly without issues. That's all for now. Once the Prama web plugin is installed correctly, your Prama network devices, such as IP cameras, DVRs, and NVRs, will be able to perform various functions seamlessly. You will be able to access live feeds, playback recordings, configure network settings, perform firmware updates, and more through your web browser. Proper installation of the plugin ensures that all these features work smoothly and without interruptions. It is an essential step to enable full remote management and control of your Prama CCTV system, making monitoring and configuration straightforward and efficient. If you found this video helpful, we'd really appreciate your support. Please like the video, share it with others, or subscribe to our channel. Your engagement helps us create more valuable content for you. Thank you for being part of the Tech Logics community.